Still in Bungoma County, police in Kimilili, Bungoma County, gunned down 3 suspected criminals and recovered an AK-47 and 53 rounds of ammunition. It is said the suspects were heading to Mahonge area before the police intercepted. Speaking after the incident, Deputy County Commissioner Kimilili said County Ruben Loyotoman said that the gun suspect had been terrorizing locals for a while now and further called on the general public to be vigilant and report any suspicious activity.
Wetu walifaulu kuua watu watatu ambao wanaaminika ya kuwa wao ndio walikuwa wakiterrorize wananchi hapa Kamkuyu na area zingine, lakini mmoja alikimbia akaingia msituni, lakini tunajaribu kufuatilia na tunaomba wananchi wa cooperate watupatie information ambao tunaweza pata yule mmoja alitoroka na wengine ambao wako bado wako na patia warning wale wako wa surrender mara moja bure. Tutawafuatilia especially vijana 17 brothers. We are now coming for them. Tunaenda kuwachukua anytime from now and any other criminal coming in Kimilili.
Okay.
Wanne tayari, lakini kuna wengine wameua Webuye, Kaundui, Sirisha mpaka Malakisi. So hii ndio bunduki imetumika na inatoka Uganda hii bunduki.
Now on that note, we take a short break. Don't go far, we shall be back with more.
This is in your shoes. We are spinning. And when you think that we are spinning, and when you think that we are done spinning, yeah, he's going down, we shall continue spinning. War! Limeiva!
Landlord Holdings Limited has done it again just for you. This time round, bringing you Destiny Villas. These are 3-bedroom houses, 26 units standing on 2-acre piece of land, with each unit having 2 parking space, a small garden and a servant quarter. It is located in Syokimau, just 4 kilometers off Mombasa Road through Med Center. We have a flexible paying plan with cash buyers paying as little as 14 million shillings and 16 million shillings through mortgage. Few houses are remaining. Hurry and grab this opportunity. Landlord Holdings, infinite elegance. All right. Well,